Are you seeing this dialog box when you're installing Windows? Wondering where your drives are? Then you double check that you've installed your drives correctly and double check your BIOS. Well, my friends, you've just fallen prey to Intel VMD. But no worries, today I'm going to show you how to properly install Windows on your new laptop. In case you haven't already, on another computer, go ahead and download your preferred Windows. This is the Windows 11 download page. I linked it in the description. I'm going to use the media creation tool to make a Windows bootable USB, like it says here. So grab a USB flash drive that's at least 8 gigabytes. Make sure you don't have anything important on there, because the media creation tool will erase everything on there. Now go ahead and hit the Download Now button under the Create Windows Installation Media. I already have it right here, so just run the executable and follow the steps. If user account control pops up, just hit yes. Okay, read the terms, accept. Here you can uncheck the recommended options if you need to change the language. Otherwise, just hit next. Choose USB flash drive, then hit next. Then choose the correct flash drive from the list. Then hit next and let it do its thing. Once it's done, you should have a drive called ESD USB with all these files in it. Once you have the Windows bootable USB, you're going to need to download the Intel RST driver. Go to the driver download page and choose the third option here where it has VMD in the title. Once you have it downloaded, extract the compressed zip file. Then copy the extracted folder and paste it in the same USB bootable that you made earlier. Now you should have basically everything you need to install Windows. I'm going to head over to the laptop I'm installing Windows on. Now it's time to install Windows 11. Plug in the bootable USB that you made earlier into your new laptop and turn it on. If your system is new, it should automatically boot into the Windows installation. If not, go into the BIOS by holding F2 when you're turning it on. Locate the boot manager. Then select EFI USB device. Then it should launch the Windows installation. Go through the steps of the Windows setup. Here you can change the language and keyboard or input method if you'd like. Then hit next. Then hit install now and just wait a little bit. Enter the product key if you have it. Otherwise hit I don't have a product key. Choose the OS. I'm going to install Windows 11 Home. Hit next. Agree to the terms, then hit next. Choose Custom Install Windows Only because we're installing a new copy of Windows. On this phase of the setup, as you can see here on the warning, it says that it couldn't find any drives. To get a storage driver, click Load Driver. So that's what we're going to do. To find our driver, click Browse. Look for your USB drive, hit the arrow to expand it, and click on the driver folder. Then hit OK. Select the first driver in the list, which is already selected by default. Then hit Next. Give it a few seconds to process. Then your drives will appear. Then just select the drive you're installing Windows on and hit Next. Then all you have to do is wait for Windows to install, then you're good to go. Like the video if this helped you, leave a comment or check out our website if you have any questions or feedback. Otherwise, thank you for watching our video, and I'll see you in the next one.